We call this garden Soggy Bottom here in the Kings Ridge Co-op because we've got a lot of rain, water comes down through here. This is how we manage it, pushing it around the garden. Got a swale that runs around the back side of the garden, fills and percolates down through the whole thing. But I want to show you guys how we can pack stuff in here. We've got a row of roselle across the back of this thing. And then right here we got sweet potatoes. And then we've got a bed of acorns and butternuts, which are mostly compact-ish squash. And then we got a row of green onions. And here's some sauce tomatoes that are just coming on. And then we've got our pumpkins here. Pumpkins, and we've got some other bigger winter squash, vining types. Let them kind of ramble and go nuts. And then on the other side of it, got another row of sweet potatoes. And what we do with these vining types is we just grab them from the edge and just throw them over on top of themselves about once a week. And it takes all of about 15 minutes to get that thrown over, and then do a little bit of pruning right along the edge to keep it off the tomatoes. And it's super easy, and man, these things are loaded down. I mean, there is fruit everywhere. Here we've got some Jerusalem artichoke. It's about to flower. A couple apple trees. Here's one. There's another one right down here. Another one right down here. And then there by the tiller, we've got some. We've got a pawpaw tree. And we got more squash just wrapping around here. There's some butternuts. Getting pretty close to ready to harvest. In fact, I don't see much. There's a little bit of a green tinge to one of them, so I'll just leave them another day or two. We started this garden last fall. And it's going to produce hundreds and hundreds of pounds of food for us this year that we can share with our neighbors and our community. We're very thankful to have wonderful neighbors like the Acetos who let us do stuff like this in their front yards. Yeah. Have a beautiful day.